All right, guys. Good day, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Learn with Dawn, and I'm happy to officially make this video to be my official first video I'll be making for this channel. And it's just not for me; it's for everyone who has volunteered to dive into this journey with me. You're welcome. So before I continue, do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop your comments, any recommendations, any suggestions, any points noted in my introduction video. You can drop them. It will be all appreciated. Thank you so much for joining. So basically, this is my introduction video, and today we'll be looking at introduction to UI UX design. Yes, for so many persons who don't know the basics, what it's all about, this video is here to help you. So just dive with me as we look into it. So this is what we'll be looking at. Introduction. What is yours? Just tag along with me as we look into all this. So this introduction, yeah. So what is UI UX design? So many persons have been hearing about it and they don't really know what it's all about. Well, basically, UI UX design stands for user interface and user experience design. That is for UI, user interface, UX, user experience design. These are two interrelated but distinct aspects of designing digital products such as websites, mobile apps, and software. So as we dive in, I just hope that this basically has given you a hint of what we'll be talking about throughout this video. So just join me and as we learn about UI UX. So for UI, user interface design. User UI design focuses on the visual and interactive element of a product. Of course, yes. So many products like your apps, your website. What can you see on them? What can you see? What are the features? Those features are basically um, represented as UI design. Those are the designs you can see physically. It's about how the product looks and feels. It's about how the product looks and how it feels. Some key aspects are focus on the visual and interactive elements. You get um, typography, the image, color, and everything. These are part of the UI user interface designs. Then you also have layout and spacing, how elements are being spaced, how your text are being spaced, the arrangement and stuff. Then we have interactive elements, just like buttons, form, menus, you know, and we have consistency, ensuring a cohesive look and feel across all parts of the product. So this is basically UI design, how you as how the user as using the app, using the website, using whatever product that is being offered, what the user sees, what the user feels, how the user feels when you know assessing and experiencing such product. So basically, this is what UI design brings to you. Now let's look at UX. Now UX is user experience design, and it focuses on the overall experience a user has when interacting with a product. You know, most times persons normally if you go to Play Store and you check on reviews of some persons, you see some persons giving good comments, some persons giving negative comment on how the experience was for the user. Those things are based on what the UI, based on what the experience of the user while using the product. You understand? So basically, it's what gives the user the interaction with the product, and it's about how the product works and how the user feels when using it. Of course, yes. So basically, some aspect are user research. Understanding the behavior, the pain points, the needs of users by engaging in surveys, interviews, usability testing. And also have information architecture, just like the structural content, organizing content in a way that is easier for users to find what they need. You understand? They also have usability, interaction design, and accessibility. Is it accessible to customers, to users? You know, these are the things where most especially persons who are physically challenged. Is this really usable for them? These are the things that UI UX gives to you. Now, why learn UI UX design? Now, there are a lot of tech skills. Of course, it's a tech skill for persons who doesn't know. It's a tech skill, but persons don't know why they should learn UI UX design. For me, as a UI UX designer, I would recommend anybody to dive into this. And why should you learn UI UX design? One is high demand and impact. It's high demand and impact. Basically, there are a lot of jobs these days, a lot of tech jobs. We are entering into in fact, we have entered digitally, and there are a lot of opportunities out there, and this is also expected to come in play. It's very, very demanding now in this technology. Then, why learn UX design? Creative problem solving. Yes, of course, it's create. It says if you enjoy a blend of creativity and problem solving, this is a perfect fit. You get to combine your artistic sensibilities with analytical thinking to craft interfaces that are both beautiful and real. So, for you who is in love with creativity and love solving problems, basically I would recommend UI UX for you because it's an avenue whereby you see the need of persons, you see the need of people around, and you tend to try and work out something that would um, solve that problem for them, which can also be displayed through UI UX design. So basically, it's a perfect fit for you. Another reason why you should learn is because to become a user champion. At its core, UI UX design is about empathy and understanding users. You have to understand the users. You have to understand what they need at that particular time and also in the future. You understand? Communicating, having this close relationship with users will tend to give you the understanding of what to do, what to provide for them. So basically, it's make you a user champion. Now, concepts in UI UX design. Like I said, we have understanding the user. What are the different aspects in UI UX design overall? You have understanding the user, building a user usable interface, yes, and creating a positive user experience. All these things joined together um gives you a breakdown. All these things gives you a building knowledge of what UI UX design tends to give you and tends to give other persons. You understand? Also the user. So you have to make researches, you have to engage in usability testing of the product, patterns, a lot of things, visual designs. It will be sounding hard, but it's not really, I wouldn't say it's that hard. Because if you put your time and effort to learn this, it's really go a long way for you. So basically, it's a nice way to, start a journey in tech. Start a journey in tech. Yeah. So I recommend UI UX for you based on this concept. Then there are a lot of tools. There are a lot of tools that are used to in UI UX. You understand? For designing, we have Figma. Yes, I use Figma. Figma is one of my tool I enjoy using. We have Figma, we have Adobe XD, we have Sketch. There may be a lot of other tools, but these are the three basic tools I recommend for you to use when designing your designs. Then we have prototyping tools. What tools are used in prototyping? We have InVision, Adobe XD also can be used, and Marvel. You can check out these tools and see what it brings to you. And you also have user research and testing tools. We have two major tools, which are user testing and Hotjar. These are basically tools that are used in UI UX design. And of course, I did not mention in terms of graphics. In terms of graphics, there's a way you can blend your graphics with your design. So in terms of graphics, Photoshop can be used, CorelDRAW can be used, whatever. And if you're using your phone, you can use Canva, um, you can use a whole lot. So basically, these are software tools that can be used for your UI UX design. Then, for my channel, basically, I have an overview of what I'll be bringing to you. I listed four overviews. One is my goal is to create a fun and engaging learning environment where you can master the art of crafting user-centered interfaces. So basically, I plan on creating a fun, engaging environment, learning environment for everyone, not just for specific persons, for everyone. Even if you are new to UI UX, you are old to UI UX, you have knowledge, but you still want to broaden more. I am trying. My this is my goal to create a whole big learning environment, engaging and communicating, where you can master everything about UI UX. Then I also give you tips, industry insights, and even designs and challenges to help you put your learning into action. Yes, of course. Yes, basically, there are a lot of updating, there are a lot of trends these days, and it's good to be updated in, whatever you are into. And in my channel, I'll always update you, share informations, share secrets, share tricks that will help you, you know, that will help you shortcuts, short codes, whatever thing you need. These are the things I'll offer you. Then another one is I'll bring learning to your doorsteps. Of course, yes, it's not just far away, it's at your doorsteps. Breaking down, I'll break down the ideas down for easy learning. I love teaching, I love tutoring, and whenever I tutor, I don't just go beyond the understanding of whoever is learning. I try to bring myself down so that person who is listening can understand. So basically, I'll be bringing that for you. Then I'll make sure every message is passed across. Private masterclass for those interested. Of course, yes, possibly with due time, I'll work on some. I'll work on a masterclass whereby persons who want to understand the whole knowledge, who want to put in their mind, their time to UI UX design can also venture into. So these are the things my overview, and trust me, I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna give you my best. What I need you to do is to just like my videos, subscribe to my channel, share my link to persons so that persons who are interested can also join and be updated and learn with you. Don't be stingy. You don't have to be stingy. So these are my overviews that I'll be working on. And finally, I want to say thank you so much for, of course, yes, I did not want to make the video long, but at least to some extent it's so short and you know educative for you. So basically, thank you so much. I appreciate. um I know I'm gonna give you my best, from time to time, post job videos. So just be updated. That's what I just like, and subscribe to my channel, share my link to your friends. you know don't learn alone, learn with others. So thank you so much. I appreciate. I remain my humble self, Godly Agunwa, known as Don. You have to learn with Don. Yes, if you don't learn with Don, who do you want to learn with? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Have a nice time. If you did not understand everything that I've said, you can still watch the video again from beginning, or you can still send me a message. I'm open to everybody. I'm open to questions. I'm open to recommendations, suggestions, corrections. Yes. So thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye.